Hey guys, so today for our second video back, we are starting a new series where we take trends and show you guys how to achieve them in each season.
So for this video, we focused on the model off-duty look, so you'll be seeing 3 outfits from each of us. And we also went into how we styled them and where we got all of the pieces, so it'll be super easy for you guys to assimilate it into your own wardrobe and trends. And it's a fun way to stay on top of trends and make sure that you can find accessible ways to include it in your own style.
And we just want to give you guys an outlet to look at our videos and say, hey, we can do that.
Also, if you guys have any trends that you guys want us to try out or show you how we would personally style them, we can also do that in further videos. Just please let us know in the comments down below, and we're always happy to get those comments and we'll answer you guys right back.
So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for this outfit, I paired a black turtleneck from Nordstrom with this corduroy pullover from ZARA. I got these pants from ZARA as well. And I paired this outfit with my Doc Marten boots.
So for this outfit, I have some simple chains here. This one is with a lock. I'm pretty sure I literally got it on Amazon. And this is just a basic black long sleeve turtleneck, which you can layer with anything in the fall, which is nice. But it helps give figure when you have wider leg jeans like these. These jeans are Stuart Miller. I got them from Nordstrom.
So for this outfit, I paired a simple white long sleeve. Any white long sleeve would work for this look. And then these cream colored flared pants from ZARA. And the statement piece is the long trench coat vest type deal.
So very on trend with what is going on right now. But we got a cute little tennis skirt. I actually bought this skirt like 5 years ago from Forever 21, but you could find them anywhere, Amazon, anything. And I'm pairing it with this chain belt that I got from Target, as well as this white cropped polo t-shirt. And I just peek it out of the top of this cute sweatshirt from this girl who thrifts things. I will link her down below. I'm using the same shoes as I did for the last look.
So for this outfit, I paired a long midi skirt with this oversized, fun leather jacket that Olivia actually thrifted. It's literally the perfect size for this outfit. And this graphic tee I got from ZARA with these earrings that I actually bought for my 21st birthday. And again, for this outfit, I paired it with my Doc Marten boots. Gives it a grungy, nice and casual look.
Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low,
Okay, so this outfit is a little more casual. I just got this Space Jam shirt from Pretty Little Thing. And then underneath it, it's literally just a crop mock neck long sleeve t-shirt. And I really like the stripes because it adds a little detail to it. I got it from Topshop. These Levi's that I actually thrifted, but you can find these literally anywhere. My tip for them though is to actually shop in the men's section and then just take in the waist because they tend to fit the best in the thighs and stuff. And then I'm wearing my beat up old Air Force Ones. And they go perfectly with these kinds of outfits because they add a little bit more of grunge. Thank you guys for watching the video. We really hope you enjoyed it and you find cool ways to put this into your own wardrobe.
Also, if you guys tried out any of these looks or trends or your own model off-duty style, please Send us pictures, tag us on Instagram. All of our socials will be down below.
Again, thank you guys for watching. If you have any future video ideas or any future trends you would like us to try, please let us know in the comments down below or DM us on any of our socials.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when we post another video. And thank you guys again. We love you so much, and we will see you in the next one.
Until next time, bye!